Welcome to Business Research Methods course. This is a 3-credit paper offered during your 5th semester of BBA program. The course is introduced in an objective of making the students equipped with the basic understanding of the research methodology and also to provide the fundamentals of research for practical applications in business. At the end of the course, the students will be able to execute a research process, identify a research problem, construct a research design for conducting a research, and also they will be able to outline the research report as per the guidelines of the concerned authorities. Now let us see what are all the concepts we are going to learn in unit number 1. In unit number 1, we will see the meaning of research, the various objectives of conducting research, what are the criteria to define a research as a good research. Then we will also discuss about the various types of research, research methodology, and the different steps that are involved in conducting a research. And finally, the business research, its nature and its scope. Moving on to unit number 2, we will discuss about the research problem. Here we will see what is meant by a research problem, how to identify the research problem, what are all the sources that are available for identifying the research problem. Then we look into the review of literature, then statement of problem, objectives of the study, and the different questions that can be included in a research problem. In unit number 3, we will discuss about the research design, the meaning of research design, the need for constructing a research design, its features, and the concepts related to research design. Then we will also discuss about the research design and its types. The second part of your unit number 3 will deal with the sampling. Here we will see the different methodology of sampling and the different steps involved in selecting samples for the research, whatever we undertake. This will include probability and non-probability method of selecting the samples. In unit number 4, we will discuss about the concept of data collection and tabulation. Here we will learn about the different types of data, the differences between the primary data and the secondary data, and also we will discuss about the different method of collecting primary data and secondary data. The second part of your unit number 4 will be dealing with the tabulation of the data. Here we will see about how to tabulate the data whatever we have collected from the different sources. Finally, in unit number 5, we will discuss about analyzing the data and preparing a research report. So any research, it has to be prepared in a report format. Okay. Here in this unit, we will discuss about the different statistical methods used for data analysis and the concept of interpreting the data. We also learn about the different concepts of research report, the different types of research reports, and finally we will discuss with the precautions that we need to undertake while writing a research report. These are the contents we are going to learn in our business research methods course. These reference books we can have it for your further discussions and further learning. So in this, the first textbook will be a very simple one, and it is highly referred by many research scholars and academicians. So my suggestion is to go with the first textbook prescribed here. Coming to the evaluation of this particular course, here we are going to have 4 assessments. The first assessment is related to article review. The purpose of having this particular article review is developing a skill related to research, as well as this article review will help the participants to identify the problem that are existing in the current scenario. The second activity is, it is a participatory learning where you will be constructing the questionnaire to collect primary data. Third assessment is again a participatory learning in the form of a technical quiz. And finally, we have a hands-on session and we are going to discuss, or we are going to learn how to prepare this questionnaire using Google Forms, where we are going to design a Google form and going to circulate it for the purpose of collecting primary data. So this is all about the course of business research methods. So wish you all a very good luck. So hope you understood what is all about this particular course. So happy learning. Thank you.